Palestine-Israel war death toll rises to 1,300 as Netanyahu orders to stop Gaza. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has ordered a total blockade on the Hamas-controlled Gaza Strip, escalating measures against the war-ravaged Palestinians. This includes a ban on the supply of food and fuel, further exacerbating the dire situation in the resources-strapped Arab country. Fears of a ground invasion are growing as Israel continues its offensive against Hamas, with more than 800 Israelis already killed in the attack. Israeli Defense Minister Yoav Gallant described the move as a part of a battle against the Palestinian group, emphasizing the need to address the threat posed by Hamas. Hamas executed a meticulous 2-year campaign of deception, catching Israel off guard during their devastating attack. Israel shifted its focus away from Hamas, failing to detect their plan. Hamas avoided leaks and executed a multifaceted attack, exploiting Israeli weaknesses. The consequences led Israel to vow the destruction of Hamas, emphasizing the need to address the threat posed by the group. Fighting raged at several locations inside Israel, where Hamas fighters were still holed up after killing hundreds of Israelis and seizing dozens of hostages. Israel has responded with its heaviest ever bombardment of the Gaza Strip, murdering some 500 people so far. Israeli forces are preparing for a long and difficult conflict with the possibility of an unprecedented ground assault on Gaza. The conflict has a global impact, with several countries reporting nationals killed, abducted, or missing. Oil prices have soared over 4% due to concerns about possible supply shocks from the crude-rich region. The violence jeopardizes US-backed moves towards normalizing relations between Israel and Saudi Arabia, potentially threatening Palestinian hopes of self-determination and hemming in Hamas backer Iran. Appeals for restraint have come from around the world, though Western nations largely stand by Israel. The death toll in the Palestine-Israel war has risen to 1,300, with no end to the conflict in sight. The situation remains tense as Israel escalates its measures against Gaza, while Hamas continues its attacks. The international community is closely watching the developments, with concerns about impact on global stability and oil prices. The consequences of this conflict will have far-reaching implications for the